Hi guys, here is how you can disable your keyboard on Windows PC. So to disable your keyboard, we will be using this OpenKeyFreeze by SukiBaby. Here are all the details. Anyway, go to Releases and click here. So this is available for both 64-bit and 32-bit PC. Let me download it for 64-bit. The file size is very small, so it is done. So in folder, and let me quickly extract it here. So here is OpenKeyFreeze. I will move this to the desktop. Now simply double click on it. Nothing will happen, but if you click here, you will find the play icon here. If you click on it, this will lock the keyboard and the keyboard has been disabled. And if you want to unlock a keyboard, simply click it again and the keyboard will be unlocked. So it is very simple. And if you want to add this OpenKeyFreeze to taskbar when the PC starts, simply right click on the taskbar, go to the taskbar settings, click on Open System Tray Icons, and here is OpenKeyFreeze. Simply turn this on. So this is all done. After this, let me go back to the GitHub page. So we have done this part. Now we have to put this shortcut or exe to this location. Only do this if you want the icon on the taskbar when the PC restarts. So let's go to this location. Go to C drive. Folder program data is hidden. Click on View, Show, Hidden Items. Here is program data. Find Microsoft, then go to Windows. Click on Start menu, go to Programs, and go to Startup. After this, you can either create a shortcut or copy the exe file. Let me quickly copy the exe file and paste it here. Continue. So this is done. Now every time the PC starts, you will find the icon here. You cannot delete this now because it is running in the background. Simply restart your PC and you can delete this. And we have the main exe file on the starter folder. Thank you very much.